Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. A question on the area of a sector, NOV-DEC 2024 Core Mathematics. The angle of a sector of a circle of radius 5.5 centimeters is given as 60 degrees. We have to find the area of the sector, given the pi is what? 3.142. So fast forward, we begin with area of a sector. What is it given by? It's given by theta over 360 times pi r squared. This is the formula that we use in finding the area of a sector. So here we do substitution where the angle has been given as 60. So I'll be saying that area, let me just say area equals to 60 degrees, then divided by 360 times pi, which will be 3.142 times 5.5 all squared. Fast forward, we can just put all in a calculator and get what the value will be, or we reduce this and multiply this, it will all come back to the same thing. So let's put all this in our calculator, and that will be giving us 15.840916 and continues. So looking at the position of the answers, they are in 2 decimal places. So we can say that 15.84 centimeter squared, and which of the option will fit, and that will be the option B. So this becomes the answer on the question paper, or the option that is best described by this question. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.